Hey everyone! Today I want to show you practical GoHighLevel features and hacks that actually matter in 2025 and 2026. No fluff, just systems that help businesses convert more leads. Hack number 1, speed to lead. Most businesses don't lose leads because they need more traffic. They lose leads because they reply too late. So your first goal is simple. Lead comes in, and the system responds instantly. A clean follow-up flow looks like this: lead, instant SMS, email follow-up, booking link, reminder. And the best way to automate this is with workflows. Hack number 2, build workflows using trigger and action. Trigger, form submitted. Action, send a text. Trigger, appointment booked. Action, send reminders. Trigger, no reply after 10 minutes. Action, follow up again. This one change makes follow-up consistent, even when you're busy. Hack number 3, missed call text back. If a lead calls and nobody answers, GoHighLevel can instantly text them. That alone can recover leads that would normally disappear. Hack number 4, review automation. After a job is completed, automatically send a review request. It's a simple workflow, but it builds trust fast. Now let's talk about what's new and growing fast inside GoHighLevel. In 2025 and 2026, GoHighLevel is pushing hard into AI. They call it the AI Employee, a suite of AI tools built into the platform. One of the biggest parts is voice AI agents. This lets businesses handle inbound calls using an AI voice agent that can respond naturally and help route conversations. And there's also multi-language support for voice AI, so businesses can serve different audiences more easily. Another piece is conversation AI. That means AI-assisted chat and automated lead communication, so your system can reply faster across different channels. The real advantage is when AI connects to workflows. So the AI qualifies the lead, and then the workflow pushes them to booking, and reminders keep them on track. Now here's how agencies scale delivery without rebuilding everything. Hack number 5, snapshots. Snapshots are reusable templates that let you clone proven setups across accounts. So instead of building the same pipeline and workflows again, you install the system in minutes. And for agencies, SaaS mode is a big deal. It lets agencies resell the platform as their own branded software experience. So if you want a quick focus list for 2026, it's this: fast follow-up workflows automation, booking plus reminders, reviews automation AI tools for speed, snapshots for scaling SaaS mode for recurring revenue models. That's the practical GHL overview for 2025 to 2026. Build simple systems first, then scale them. See you in the next one.